Hey y'all, I have your clearance event laundry items. So these are an additional half off right now. If you're lucky, you can find a 70% off store or an extra 90% off store. But you won't know unless you go and check out the stores in person because there will be signs posted. If you are interested in some of the laundry items that are on clearance right now, then just keep watching. All right, y'all. So when you are out looking for these laundry items, it is going to be imperative that you look at the sky shelves, okay? Because these items are old. They've been in these stores a long time. More than likely, they've been forgotten about on a sky shelf. They're not going to have a place on the regular shelf most of the time, but I would still look. All right, so I looked up down the laundry aisle and I saw this clearance gain on a sky shelf. So always look up. If you need help getting it down, just ask an employee. They should be happy to help. They aren't pennies, so they don't really care. They'll get them down for you. So we have the Downy Light White Lavender Scent Beads in the 18.2 ounce bottle. They are $5.83. And I did find one of these this last clearance event. So they are still out there. They are actually in stock in a few more of my stores, and I have my eyeballs on them. All right, we've got $1.05 off of the Downy Scent Beads, so that drops our out-of-pocket to just $4.78. We've got the Gain Fresh and Comfy in the Sunrise Bliss scent. It is on clearance for $3.37. We've got $1.05 digital. We will pay $2.32. Y'all, here is your UPC for that. We've got the Gain Flings in the Spring Daydream. They are on clearance for $3.37, and I believe the $1.05 digital attaches to these as well. You can grab the Gain Odor Defense in the Freshwater Sparkle for $2.47. You can use this UPC to scan and see if it's in stock at your store or check the stores around you in their stock. We've got the Gain Flings in the Blissful Breeze. They are $2.03. I don't believe we have any attaching coupons except the Gain Spend 30 and Save 5, but it's still great savings. I mean, $2 for Gain, that's crazy. The Gain Liquid Fabric Softener is $3.37. This is the thing I saw on the Sky Shelf, and you can find them too. I guarantee it. Here's the UPC. Use this to scan and find your item in the store. Please ignore the loud paper bag in the background. My cats are being heathens. We've got the larger packs of the Gain Flings in the Moonlit Breeze scent. Now, I'm not sure how easy these are going to be to find. I haven't found them in my stores yet, but here is a UPC. They might be in stock near you. You never really know. We've also got that $1.05 coupon that attaches to this. You're just going to have to pick which detergent you want to use it on. Also got the 60 count Gain Flings in the blue or freshwater sparkle for $7.18. The cats are at it again. There is the UPC. Scan that, see if they are in stock near you. We can get the Gain Blissful Breeze in the 107 load bottle for $7.17. And the $1.05 digital does attach to this, but we only have one on each of our accounts. So if you have more than one account, you can do this multiple times on different accounts. This one was harder for me to find. I couldn't locate it to get the UPC, but these are $1.35 right now on clearance. You're looking for the Freshwater Sparkle dryer sheets. Looking for these, it's very important to pay attention to the size. These were discontinued due to shrinkflation. So these are 9.1 ounce. They're the ones you're looking for. They are the ones on clearance. Go ahead and use this UPC. See if you can find them in a store near you. Alright guys, so we've got these Gain fireworks in the 26.5 ounce size. They are $7.18. We do have that $5 digital that attaches. It's either for the large scent beads or the large detergent. We've got the Gain fireworks in the original scent in the 24 ounce size. These are on clearance for $7.18, and I do believe the $5 digital attaches to these as well. We've got the OxiClean laundry sanitizer. This is $4.37 during the clearance event. I have seen these on the Sky shelves in 2 of my stores. One of them was on a Sky shelf down the grocery aisle, of all things, and the other one was an end cap Sky shelf. So it's just very weird, and it doesn't make sense sometimes. I know these are old, but hear me out. I have seen these in almost every single store I have shopped at this week, so they are definitely still out there. You can grab these for $4.27. There's also Snuggle in the pink hibiscus scent, and it is also $4.27. The Downy April Fresh Odor Defense beads in the 13.4 ounce bottles are $4.93. There are also these Downy April Fresh scent beads in the 13.4 ounces, and they are also the same price, $4.93. We've got this Downy Fresh Protect in the 5.7 ounce bottle. You're looking for the April Fresh. It is on clearance for $2.25. Also got the 5.5 ounce Downy Fresh Protect in the April Fresh scent for $2.25. So you're looking for the 5.7 and the 5.5 ounce. The Tide Simply Pods in the Daybreak Fresh. They are $1.57. These are my absolute favorite. I stocked up on these like 2 clearance events ago, so I just took a picture of my UPC as I still have a ton. We've also got the Tide Simply Pods in the big yellow tubs. They are 55 count, and they are on sale for $5.79. Got the Tide Pods in the April Fresh scent. These are the 23 count. They're on clearance for $4.47. We have $1.55 digital. We will end up paying $2.92 for 23 Tide Pods. The UPC is a little too blurry, so I just typed it out for y'all. You might have to enter it manually. I apologize for that. Alright guys, we have the Tide Pods in April Fresh. This is with the Downy, and this is the 12 count. These are $2.47. The $1.55 coupon attaches, dropping these down to just 92 cents. The Tide Simply Clean and Fresh in the Refreshing Breeze scent is $3.70. You're looking for the 64 loads. Make sure you're scanning. You might have to enter this UPC because I couldn't get it to scan. I think it must be a little too pixelated. We can grab the Tide with Febreze in the Spring Renewal scent. You're looking for the purple flowery background. It is $4.47. Got the Downy Infusions dryer sheets in the Lavender Serenity scent. These are the 90 count. They are on clearance for $2.47. I'm still trying to find this one in store and grab that UPC. I haven't had any luck so far, but let me know if you've seen it down in the comments. You can grab the Suavitel in the Morning Sun scent. This is the 35 small loads bottle. They're on clearance for $2.55. Did I already say that? I don't know. We'll need to enter the UPC in because it's too pixelated to scan. Alright guys, we've got the Suavitel Complete dryer sheets in the Floral Burst scent. This is the 36 count you're looking for. They are 87 cents. We've got the True Living dryer sheets. This is the free and clear kind. These are the 40 count. They are on clearance for 87 cents. True Living dryer sheets in the blue shimmer scent are 87 cents. You're looking for the 40 count, not to be confused with Snuggle Blue Sparkle. I mean, is this the Wish version of Snuggle? Let me know. I've never tried them. We've got the True Living dryer sheets in the honeysuckle scent for 87 cents. These are also the 40 count. We can grab the True Living fabric refresher for $1.30. You're looking for the 28 ounce in the original scent. We've got these True Living laundry packs in the Midnight Bliss scent. These are $2.93. They are 24 count, and they're pretty much just like Tide Pods. I did see these down one of my aisles on a sky shelf, so I'm going to try to run out and get the UPC sometime today or tomorrow. We've got the Lysol fabric disinfectant for $3.37. The 50-cent digital applies, dropping it down to $2.87. The Febreze fabric antimicrobial spray is on clearance for $3.15. Here is the UPC for that. Alright, y'all, so remember, the clearance event is going on now through Thursday, October 10th, meaning you can still get these prices through the end of the business day on Thursday, alright? But Friday, it's over. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you sticking it out this long. I know this one was a long one, so I really appreciate y'all, and I sure hope to see y'all in the next one. Make sure you're checking out all my other DG clearance videos so that you know everything that's in your store so you can take advantage of these prices while they are low. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.